What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back here at this new job. There was a lot of progress made yesterday after I left, along with this morning. It is about 11 a.m. now when I'm starting this video. I had to stop at Reed Systems and pick up some parts that they are not using on a truck. I will go over that truck in the future, but basically if you watch my snow removal videos, the truck that has the certified power solution system on it that we've had a ton of issues with is getting some changes. But once we pick that truck up, I'll make a video going over that. This job, these guys have all of the ceiling beams in. They're getting the plate on the side of the house here for the rafters right now. The front, I believe, yep, they're starting to get the final side of the rafters on. They're halfway across here, so we got a couple guys up here getting all these on, and then the other side all of the rafters are on. We still have the corners to do, but we got a lot of progress done, so it is starting to look very nice. Try and get those rafters in the video there for you, but we are actually running low on material right now. My father's just talking to a subcontractor real quick. Once he is done, I'm going to talk to him and probably run to the lumber yard so we can finish these rafters.
Let's go.
All right, guys, we are just getting back to work right now. Before lunch, Brandon picked up a bunch of 2x8s that we needed to finish the rafters. This side is getting plywooded right now. We have not done the corners yet because those take a lot more time than just all of the straight rafters. But all the rafters across the front are in, all of the rafters down this side are in, and we also got a delivery today, which we'll go inside real quick and show you. But I talked briefly about the staircase in the garage over there. We got, I can climb up here. Yeah. We got both staircases for this job delivered this morning, so this will be the downstairs staircase, which is right here, and this will be the attic staircase. So both of them are here, plus there are windows, doors all over the place. Everything for this house, window and door wise, got delivered 2 days ago, I think. 2 or 3 days ago. I think 2 days ago they all got delivered. So pretty nice front entry door here. All of the side doors right here. Plus, I believe one of these is the garage door. I'm not positive, but I think one of them is the garage door. So everything is here, but these guys are starting to get this whole side plywooded over here. Super loud with the saw. We got crew out front cutting everything, and we are making good progress. Let me show you it from the window here real quick. This is going to be a very nice wraparound porch. So you're completely plywooded pretty much to the corner here. Can't really go much further until we have these rafters, but you can see everything all the way across the front here. And then you got all of the rafters down on the far side here, wrapped around the chimney. Alright guys, we just finished up this side over here. Got the 1x detail on, all plywooded. They are plywooding the roof right now. We'll go climb upstairs and take a look at it. I showed you guys the left side, but I'll peek at that again real quick. But got all the plywood done all the way across here. I'll show you the 1x detail. You can see it's 3 pieces. It is 1x6 first, so that the siding can come up under here, 1x8, and then 1x4, which we actually ripped down to 3-inch, so it's really 1x3 now, but it looks great. Still have to work on the corners. Those take a bit of time. All of the rafters all the way across the front. And then plywood all the way out on this side as well. Just getting that last piece in right now, and then the same 1x detail over here. But that is pretty much it for this one. We were just packing up and getting out of here. I think, yeah, I showed this in a previous video, getting this wall out, but made the bathroom much bigger. We still have to frame the new closet area over there and spin this shower here. But that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.